Hi there guys, today I've got another vintage hoover for you. This is a hoover, it's a Hoover Turbopower 2. It's model U2462. It's 700 to 800 watts and 50 to 60 hertz to up to 30 to 340 volts. Serial number is U2464111059 and I got this from a friend's grandparents. It was in their loft. They use a Seabo now. They also gave me a little handheld which I'm not going to do much with. It's broken. The bin thing's broken. It's quite scraped up, but I'm not too bothered. I'm not an OCD person like Roger. No offence, Roger. Your videos are brilliant. It's got quite a few bits of paint over it. I can't really get that off. I have to try industrial cleaner, but I've just polished this so it's nice and shiny. I see Henrietta in vaccine reflection. In the bin compartment, I ain't really cleaned that. Cleaned the sides, but I ain't cleaned the back. It's got this bag that it came with in there. I just emptied and hoovered it out. It's a bit smelly, so I'll put a freshener in it. Also, I'll just show you the bag. Here's the bag. It's Turbopower 2 reusable only once. I'll probably use it more than that. The brush roll I broke on it. There's the filter. The brush roll I broke on this. The little spongy filter that would normally be in there. All disintegrated and I hoovered it up with the James, so it's inside the James. The bag's pretty good nick. I'll just put a nice freshener in it. Got Seabo freshness. Just peel these off like that, and then we just drop in there. Not as good as the old original Hoover fresheners, but yeah, they're okay. Also, by the way, if you know where I can get one of them old original Hoover fresheners from, that'd be kind. I've actually got one, but it smells disgusting. It's a used one out of my Power Plus. So I'll just put that on there. I'll just show you underneath in a minute. Everything's had a soak in soapy water. Got tools and stuff. Here's the underneath. No brush roller, as you can see. It's got the clear inspection piece, which is nice. I like that feature. I think on the later ones they did this. They made that not see-through. Also on the side we've got the pedal, 3-position pedal. We've got cleaning mode and low cleaning. On the front we've also got the grill. I won't take that off because I'll ask to get back on. We've got the height right control and the cable's just fallen off. Also on the back we have the cable that likes to fall off, its hook. Just take it off anyway, I'll show you this in action. It's got its original plug, which is nice. It's a plug that I would have on the cream brown Henry. Over there. We've got the hook that swivels around, the cord and carry hook. We've got the hose that comes off. A bit distorted here, but I don't really care. Got a nice little handle, a bit like the Electrolux Airstreams. So we'll just put this on here, and then that will just hook over like that. Also on the back we've got the extension tube and the crevice tool. Crevice tool's a replacement, I just put that in there. It didn't come with one, so put that in there. The tools it did come with is the extension tube, hose, etc. We've got the little upholstery tool thing there. There. We've also got the scrubbing brush, or dusting brush as some idiot would call it. But that's a scrubbing brush, that's poop. Let me put these in. I put that one out so the brushes don't distort. Except and that one goes in there. So we'll plug this in. without any further ado, we'll give it a go. Also, I've taken the suppressor out of this, like I do with all my vintage hoovers. That's come. The light works. I'm not sure if it actually works actually, but yeah. Anyway, right, let's plug this in, and we shall let it go. I don't think that works as it should. I think that's a bit noisier than it should be. I don't know if it needs to be more, I don't really care either. I don't think that works as it should. And pneumatic vacuum, can you date it? And also show me how to get into the motor compartment on this so I can clean the fans. I don't think that's supposed to sound like that, but anyway, who cares? I've got a turbopower now. So anyway, there's that. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and bye for now.